Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of self-discovery and tap into the power of journaling to uncover our inner voice. Journaling is a beautiful way to connect with ourselves on a deeper level, gain clarity, and find answers within. So, grab your journal and pen, and let's dive into the magic of journaling. Journaling is more than just putting words on paper. It's a sacred space where you can pour your heart and soul. It's a judgment-free zone where you can express your thoughts, dreams, fears, and desires. The first step is to find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of the outside world. Allow your inner voice to emerge from the depths of your being. As you start writing, don't worry about grammar or spelling. Let the words flow naturally, like a stream of consciousness. This is your safe haven to be raw, honest, and vulnerable. Sometimes, our inner voice can be soft and gentle, while at other times, it might be powerful and passionate. Embrace the different shades of your voice. They are all parts of who you are. How can journaling help us gain clarity in our lives and make better decisions? Journaling allows us to untangle our thoughts and see things from a new perspective. When you put your thoughts on paper, you create a space for self-reflection and self-awareness, which can lead to making wiser choices. Journaling is like having a heart-to-heart conversation with ourselves. It helps us understand our emotions, dreams, and aspirations. Journaling can also serve as a gratitude practice. Take a moment each day to jot down things you're grateful for. It shifts our focus from what's lacking to what we have, filling our hearts with appreciation. Let your journal be your sanctuary to explore your innermost desires and fears. Write down your dreams, your goals, and the obstacles that hold you back. When you confront your fears on paper, they lose their power over you. Journaling also helps us celebrate our successes and milestones. It's like creating a timeline of your growth and progress, reminding you of how far you've come. But remember, journaling is not about perfection. It's about embracing imperfection and allowing yourself to be beautifully human. And that's a wrap on today's PepTalk SelfTalk. I hope you're feeling inspired to pick up that pen and start journaling to uncover the treasures within. Your journal is your sacred space to connect with your true self and find the wisdom that resides within you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the magic of journaling and self-discovery together. Until next time, keep journaling and keep talking with your heart.